Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
Memtest package is available on Ubuntu-based repositories, so you can install it directly by running next command. You can check the errors on RAM by using the following command. Also, you can set the size and iteration according to their choice. For example, where the value of size is set to 300 megabytes and the number of paces would be 1, so you can run the command as follows. Now just wait to testing be done. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.